In front of me is VIVO V29 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top of it and select split screen. Now select the other one by clicking on it. As you can see, after that, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!